Comments are text notes that gives an explanation of the code. To comment a single line, use double slash. And to comment multiple lines, use a slash with an asterisk. Comments are usually used if the developer thinks that the code that I'm writing won't help in understanding the code easy. And so mostly the comments are used to explain the code and help the developer reading the code to understand the code. Most of the time, every developer is reading the code. That's the activity that the developers do the most. And so comments helps us to provide a quick and easy explanation of the code. Next, let's write some comments in our run.js.co website and see how it can be used. Alright, so we are back in our run.js.co website. Run.js.co website we are using as a JavaScript playground. Now, to understand comments, let's write a comment. Now, we can see that this line console log I love food is actually printing I love food in our output pane. Now, to many developers, maybe they don't know what a console log is. So we can write print a statement. So a comment can be used to signify what this line or statement is doing. On the second console log, maybe we can say prints I love pizza. So you can see that comments can be used to explain your code. Now let's say if this were a multiple line of comment, you can say prints I love pizza in console inside console window. So these are two lines, and you can use double slashes to comment your single line like this and this single line like this, or you can use slash and an asterisk to comment multiple lines. So here we can see that double slash is being used to comment single line and slash and an asterisk to comment multiple lines. Now, as you become an advanced coder, you can have huge functions which may be doing complex operations. Ideally, the function name should be explicit enough to state what actually they are doing, and the code also should be easy enough to read. But if for some reason both the function name and the code are complex enough to understand, then maybe you can use comments to help a new developer to explain what actually is happening in your function.